Hello everyone. I designed a console application simulating the Chick-fil-A ordering process written in Python. The program is divided into three main parts: the entries, the drinks, and the size. User can follow prompts to choose whether to add each category, then enter the item number and quantity they want. The program will summarize the order and generate a time-stamped electronic receipt, printing out all items and the total cost. In this process, I utilized for loops, while loops, dictionaries, lists, and other fundamental features. Here is the code. In the main function, I first initialize the total cost to 0 and create an empty list named order details. The program then calls three handler functions for entries, drinks, and size sequentially to guide the user through ordering. Throughout the process, the total cost variable accumulates the total price, while the order detail list stores each order item information. At the end, the program prints out the receipt. And here is the first part. The first part is handle entry selection. Here I created a dictionary where the keys are item numbers and the values are item names and prices. Print the menu and the user is prompted to select an item by numbers. After confirming the item number, the user enters the quantity. I use docstring and .xdigit methods to improve input validation, ensuring a smooth and robust process. If the input is invalid, a while loop prompts the user to re-enter. Then, the program calculates the subtotal for the selected item and updates the total cost. The order entry is added to the order detail list using the .append method. For each item added, a dictionary containing the name, quantity, and price is appended to the order detail list. The second part is handle drink selection. After finishing the entry selection, the system asks if the user wants to add a drink. If the user inputs yes, the program enters the drink ordering process. Otherwise, it skips this step. I also created a drink menu dictionary, allowing the user to select an item number and quantity. The program calculates the subtotal, updates the total cost, and appends the order drink to the order detail list. The third part is handle size selection. After the drink selection, the system asks if the user wants to add a size. The logic is the same as before. Let the user select item numbers and quantities. The program calculates subtotals, update the total cost, and add size to the order detail list. Each part returns the updated total cost to the main function. Finally, the last part is the print receipt function. I use the datetime module to display the current time, then iterates over all the details with a for loop to print each item's name, quantity, and price. It sums up the quantities and total cost, prints the detailed receipt, and ends with a thank you message. Because tax rates vary by state, so I designed the program as a tax-free version to provide a better user experience. That's my final project. Thank you for watching. I want to thank Chris, Maron, and all the instructors and section leaders of Stanford Coding Place. Thank you for helping me discover the fun and power of Python, broadening my horizons and supporting my growth. Thank you so much.